What's going on, guys? It's your boy James here, and you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel, Pro J James. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is simply how to convert a video to an audio. You don't need an external file application. I mean to say, you don't need an external application to do this. All you need is just to change the name of the video, and that is it. So let's get straight to the video. Sit tight. So guys, all you have to do first of all is to open your File Explorer or your files application or Z-Achiever, whatever file you use, whatever application or software you use for accessing your files. So I'll be using the Google Files. So first of all, I will have to locate the video I want to convert to audio. So it's located here. Okay, and there is the video. Here is the video. Okay, so that's the video. I have to pause it there to avoid issues, copyright issues, and the rest of them. So this is simply what you do. Click on wherever, maybe highlight it, click and rename. Just what you have to do is to rename. That's what I want to tell you. Rename. You don't have to change the whole name. All you have to do is to change the format to MP3, and voila, it's done. So refresh your file, your folder. Refresh the folder where the file is located, and try opening it again. And that is it. It is now an audio file. So guys, it's now an audio file, and that's a very simple step. Just you can still change it back to a video by changing the name. Okay, let's check it out again after refreshing. So guys, I'm heading to 300 subscribers in my channel, and you guys have just been doing a great work. Please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be giving some shout outs. In my next video, and if you want to be part of it, I'll be giving a shout out to the first 3 people to leave a comment in this video. And don't forget to leave a comment if you want to be part of the shout out. There's the video, converted back to a video folder, as you can see. So all you guys to do is to change the format from video to audio format. Video format is always MP3. We have 3PG or something like that, and many other formats, but I think the format we always watch is the MP4 format. That's the format I prefer watching. And the MP3 format is audio format mainly. So guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's head to 300 subscribers. I have the goal to hit 500 subscribers at the end of this year. I don't know how possible that is, but you guys can make it very possible. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.